selected through a challenging but very transparent screening process without any form of bias, discrimination, or sentimental consideration. Let me assure you all that our administration shall not relent in our effort to ensure both human and infrastructural development of Ojokoro Local Council Development Area. It will be noted that we have been executing several empowerment and skill acquisition programs, as well as providing regular financial assistance for our people since the inception of our administration. And we will continue to improve on these impactful programs as the finances of the council increases. Notwithstanding, I wish to assure you that this impactful program will not affect similar ongoing infrastructural development and people's-oriented projects such as the construction of drains as well as rehabilitation of roads and public schools in various communities across the 7 wards in the Ojokoro Local Council Development Area. At this point, let me continue to solicit, as usual, for the support and cooperation of our people, particularly in the areas of the regular payments of levies and rates which are due to the government, in order to enable us to provide you with more dividends of democracy. Finally, I would like to use the opportunity of this gathering to appeal to all the good people of Ojokoro SCDA to continue to exercise patience and give our dear President, Aare Tinubu, more time in his administration bid to rebuild Nigeria and revamp a battered economy so that the country can regain a viable position as the economic hub and giant of Africa. Let us all understand that the present economic down too being experienced is not peculiar to our country alone, but it is a global challenge which cuts across different nations. Our president is doing everything possible to find lasting solution to the problem of the insecurity, banditry, kidnapping, and economic hardship inherited by his administration, which have developed the countries and the negativity affected the standard of living of the people. It will be recalled that the president recently signed into law the payment of this 70,000 naira as the minimum salary for the government workers, and also announced several other relief programs during this nationwide broadcast in order to bring support to the masses. Therefore, all form of cause for protest against the government by any individual or organization should be totally disregarded and outrightly condemned. Instead of engaging in protests that may eventually result into the violence and willful destruction of the public property, it will be more beneficial to channel our grievances to government through dialogue and joint hand with the president to reposition the country for the betterment of our citizens. Lastly, I want to sincerely appreciate every members of Ojokoro, the good people of Ojokoro, for giving us the support since the inception of our administration, and moreover, during the last 10 days when some people are calling for protest, which the Ojokoro Local Council Development Area did not even participate in. Thank you for your time and audience. I wish you all safe trip back to your individual destination. God bless you all.